I'm back at hmart and I want to show you guys some of my favorite staples I always try to pick up when I go. The best bargain deal at hmart are radishes. They're cheap and they go a long way. I love eating them with my rice. Second best deal are Napa cabbages. I love cooking them. Third best deal are these bean sprouts. I just love having them as panchan. I have no intention of ever learning how to make kimchi, so I just buy mine. Today I had to pick up some radish kimchi. I like this brand or the one above here for like the bigger chunk radishes. The prices of these panchans truly break my heart every time I see it, but I always try to pick up just one that I'm really craving, and today were these anchovies. Sweet pumpkin porridge is my biggest comfort food. My mom would always make this for me on my birthday, so I always pick it up. If you haven't had these pickled radish wraps, you have to get them. They have it in so many different flavors. I wrap them in my chicken or meat. It's just so good. When it comes to dumplings though, I actually prefer my Chinese dumplings a lot more than the Koreans. These are my favorite. You have to try Merona bars. I could easily eat like 10 in one sitting. When it comes to seaweed, you really can't go wrong with any of them, but when it comes to individual serving ones, these are my favorite. These are the ones with olive oil.